Hi, I'm Ward Lowe, and I'm here with TAR VP of Legal Affairs, Lori Levy, and we're going to talk a little bit about some lawsuits that have been brought against a lot of big real estate brokerages in the country. A lot of them that our members may be part of. Lawsuits about patents, about the brokerages, how they're using certain technologies. And can you tell us a little bit about what's happening, Lori?
Yeah, there seems to be a hotbed of litigation going on, especially in Texas, over patents. There's a federal district court up in northeast Texas that has a lot of patent cases brought before it, so Texas is seeing a lot of this litigation. Unfortunately, it's also hit the real estate world. Basically, there are patents that exist for the ability to do searches for real property online. And a couple of Texas Realtor members have been sued in this litigation, along with RE/MAX, Keller Williams, the franchises themselves. The Legal Defense Fund here at TAR is supporting two of our brokers that have been sued, and so we are involved to that extent, so we're following this litigation very closely.
So you mentioned that there's something technologically about when someone does a search on a website. It sounds reasonable, like as a process, but these people are referred to as patent trolls. Some pretty, negative connotation to them. What is it that they're really fighting over?
Well, the issue is that in recent years there have been a number of companies that have sprung up, especially here in Texas because of the federal court in the northeast part of the state, where these companies are not the creator of the patent. They have simply purchased the rights to maintain the patent. So they're known as patent trolls. They're also known as non-producing entities because they didn't produce anything. All they do is file lawsuits to protect a patent. That is who the plaintiff is in these cases against our brokers and these other real estate franchises.
And so TAR is fighting or helping some members fight this. What's happening? You said there was a federal issue too, correct?
Patent litigation is a federal issue. It's federal statutes that govern the patent litigation, and also in order to get a patent, you're dealing with a federal agency. So it's all federal law. NAR is involved. They are also participating in the legal defense of the real estate brokers. They've also been fighting it at the congressional level. They have been supportive and have been fighting for legislation in Congress to deal with patent trolls. They've been working with the White House, as the White House has put forth a number of initiatives to deal with this situation. There have also been a number of states that have introduced legislation at the state level to deal with this issue. We're actually looking at that through our public policy subcommittees, and we'll be considering whether or not the Texas legislature should consider legislation in 2015.
Wow, so it sounds like it's a widespread issue, but it does affect real estate, and there's a lot of people trying to fight for Texas realtors and keep them out of this type of litigation.
That's right.
Okay. Well, thanks for the update, Lori.
Thank you.